Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Sorry I have been I've not been uploading videos. I will upload it soon because the last video I recorded got corrupted and it got boom. So in this video I'm just gonna show what I have done in the previous video. And just a second, I'm just this actually in the last video the screen recorder just hanged and something happened with it, so I have just changed it. And will be just survival series. Just a moment, I'll just pause it. Yes, so I just did a little bit progress because in the last episode I have done a lot of stuff, but some because of some problems I couldn't upload it. And this is the second episode. And yes, as you can see the village behind me, just near the village I have made an awesome house. And yes, I have not made it by myself. This is just I've seen a tutorial which you can find the link in the description. And this is a house which it actually took a lot of time. This looks small but it is just huge. It took a lot of time for me to make it. Just a second, I will just this. Yes. It takes a lot of time to do. And in the previous episode, like I just went mining because in this just a sec. So I've made this base just near to this village in the last episode. These are the extra stuff which is left with me, and as you can see there are a lot of stuff. And yeah, I just show you this diamonds. You can see I have 26 diamonds in my inventory and some stuff. I have just great news, but I'm very sad I couldn't show you people that stuff. So this is my house, and in which there's a farm going over here. There's a small animal farm which contains some sheep and some chickens, which obviously laid eggs over here. And this is the main house, which is just completely empty because I didn't just do any decoration. I'm thinking to make a basement over here. So I was just doing this stuff offline, but I just didn't complete it because I didn't have any idea. And other stuff I'll be doing by myself. I don't see any tutorial stuff. These all are fence gates. Only these two are just fence. And this took me a crap ton of time. It took me around, like in real life, around 3 or 4 days to just record this. And then here's a small mine going, which I just completed in my previous episode, but I couldn't just. I'm sorry about that, people. So this is the mine which actually I was thinking to take it to minus 54, in which I can just strip mine, because if you don't know, in 1.18 update you get massive caves and you get a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff you don't know. So, and main diamond generations are just near to bedrock. Bedrock starts, I believe, from minus 56, or no, not my friend. My bad, it's from, I guess, minus 58 or minus 59. So, and it goes till minus 64. And the best, like the spot to do strip mine, if you don't know, actually, you people might know it if you just play Minecraft. So, strip mine is like you just have to mine 2 blocks and just go straight. So, that can be done in minus 54 height. So, I just thought to go there, and I found a big cave which took a lot of time to explore. And yes, I just found like 3 or 4 spawners, which include spider, zombie and skeleton. And I got a lot of diamonds over from there without fortune 3. And in the whole cave I just used around like 2 or 3 pickaxes, and it took me a lot of time. And yes, I have so many diamonds I can just make diamond gear and armor, but I'm not going to do it right now. And I don't have any XP because, to be honest, I just died a lot in the caves because there were a lot of crap ton of mobs. Because the bigger cave it goes, the more mobs you see, because mobs just don't spawn that much in the surface because of the sun. Where's the sun? Yeah, over there. And so they spawn in underground, and that is the thing which just makes my head go crazy. So in this episode I was just showing you my house. This is quite big house, like it is decent sized. And yes, I'm just gonna make a storage room under the house, which is not the part of the tutorial. It's just And as you can see, my gamer tag, it is tutorial pen. I don't know what's the reason behind it. You can just see, actually there's an option when you choose gamer tags. This is known as gamer tag if you don't know. So in the options I just did a random one and I got this stuff. I just have a lot of crafting of stuff. Oh yeah, I have to sleep. I'll just blue bed. And yeah, wait, I just show you one thing. I have applied a resource pack in which you get night vision, which is insane. Like, that's why, because in the big caves you can't just see properly, and you just don't want to waste a lot crap of ton of torches, so you can just use this night vision stuff. I'll just actually, yeah, I'll give this night vision resource pack also in the description, so please check it out from there. And yes, I'll just decorate some stuff and I'll be right back. I'll just melt my iron and stuff because I can't just make the video too long. Okay, I'll just be right back. So I just wanted to show you guys my progress. Like, I have chopped a lot of trees to make that house over there, which you can just see a little bit. So I have chopped a lot of trees. Actually, I don't think so I have shown you guys this forest or not. In the first episode, this was like completely full of trees. You could just not even walk properly over here, and now it is just completely empty. And the main part which is empty over here is this part. Like, this part was completely full of trees. Like every 4 blocks, I guess. Yeah, every 4 blocks over here they were like just only trees. And yes, I didn't take the gold block from there. It was because at that time I didn't have any iron pickaxe, and this iron pickaxe I have just got previously when I went mining. And yes, I have a lot of stuff to do. And if you guys want to like make me do something in this world, then just please do comment me down in the comment section, because I don't have that great ideas for this world. Like, I have some ideas, but it doesn't consist like my own ideas. You can just say me some stuff. And yes, if you're thinking of why I'm chopping the trees from my hand, then you can just guess it. I don't have axe. So, and even I have found like around 3 spawners, and which are just damn close. I will later just show you people those things. I can't show that in this episode because I just don't know the codes. I just have to search them again, because I just thought I would just see my episode of the previous recordings and just get the coordinates of those spawners, but the previous recording is just gone, so it is very tough for me. Yes, and this is stone cutter furnace, which, yeah, actually I can just keep some stuff for smelting. I have a lot of stuff. And yeah, from those spawners I have got a lot of stuff, like some music disc, a crafton of saddles, like 4 saddles, an enchanted book with unbreaking 1 and projectile prop 2. Then is, yeah, I have got a lot of stuff, some golden horse armors, golden apples, and there are a lot of diamonds also in that cave. I just have not explored the, and I just wanted to say to people, I have gone to nether. Yes, in the previous episode I have showed it, but the episode is gone, so I'll try to show you a little bit. This mine goes to a place. I'll just show you 1 minute, but I'm not sure if I die or not because this place is just, actually, see, you guys can, even I can see the whole place properly lit up, but this is actually a lot of darkness over here. See, like, because I have night vision resource pack in myself, so yeah. And see this cave, this is insane. The mysterious geode over there, which I found the crystals, which if, oh my god, that's a witch. Which is okay. So mobs, okay, actually mobs can spawn. We have just forgot to light because I was using this resource pack, so I just didn't light up this place. And I actually can't go over there. Let me check. Okay, I have arrows, but I don't have any bow. And yes, zombies are spawning. Oh, baby zombie! I just wanted to say that that is like. Okay, I'll just. Okay, this is not a good place to be over here. I'll show you late afterwards. I'll just grab this raw iron over here, from here, and then I'll just show you. And yes, my piece, like my device is not that great, so it lags a lot, and a lot means a lot. I have the minimum settings possible right now. But still, so I will just reach the surface and just meet you people. So I have like made a storage type of room over here. I said like I would make a room, so just a second. Yeah, so it's done. Like a big room which is exactly a shape of like the house, like 10 blocks from here, from except the stairs, 10 block over here and 6 over here. So yes, I'll just change this all. I'll place a lot of rows of chests over here, as this will be like my storage room. And I'm thinking I'll make the walls out of, I don't know, I just make them out of stone bricks, I guess, because this will match from my house. I'll be just right back. So as I said, I would be just completing this with this stone bricks. So yes, I have done this, and I just shift all the chests over here. And okay, it's night time, and I'll just put all the stuff inside this. So I have just kept some chests because I didn't have that much wood with me. I'll just collect some and place them later. I have just spread my animals, and that's it for this episode, guys. So I'm just saying at the last, so please subscribe to my channel, please like, to share with your friends, and please comment me down in the comment section that what should I do next, like if you guys have any plans for me. Okay, bye.